just leave. I don't know what they're chewing. All the drinks keep spilling, and I can still feel them all over me. That's why yeah, I always end up outside, feeling like I'm wasting my time, my time. Oh, I can't do it anymore, yeah, I've tried, looking for what I thought I'd find, looking for what I thought I'd find. Don't want no